Happy Sunday, everyone. It's a nice sunny day today, and I have been wanting to make one of these for years. And I grew up, and my nan used to have one in her garden, and I absolutely loved watching the birds. So I'm going to attempt to make my own freestanding bird feeder. I will show you a rough picture of the design I'm going to try and follow, and I've never done woodworking before, so let's try and give this a go. This is the design that I'm going to try and replicate, so let's see how I go with making that. Now I am going to try and make this for completely $0, so I am using what wood my dad has lying around, which isn't much, and then I'm going to have to do some Facebook Marketplace searching to see if anyone is giving away free scrap wood, because I don't want to spend any money doing this project. So I'll show you what I've started. I found this piece of plywood. I have mapped out the base that we are going to use. I am going to put like a border around the edge, just so that when we put like the bird seed, it's not just gonna like fall off. There will be like a little groove that it can all sit in. So I'm gonna go get that thing out, which I've never used, and attempt to cut this. I finally managed to cut a perfect rectangle after trying to figure that out, which took forever. And I apologize if you hear the kids in the background. They've decided to come out and play in the garden. But I've done that. I now need to cut even pieces. I don't know if I should cut these down or just do like, I don't know what I'm going to do yet. Because I also need like one here, and then I can do the roof. I'm going to line it up, and then I'm going to cut there. Length that side, so that can just be cut into half. I might do that, screw those on, and then I can measure the in-between gaps, and then work out what height I want. Because we do get parrots, so I need something with a high roof. So I'm going to cut this, come back, screw it, and figure out what the next step is. Those sides, and now I'll measure these sides up, so hopefully we can just get it snug. There's a measured, and they should. house. Took me forever. The drill, don't know what was going on with it, but it wasn't working properly. It was just slipping in the screws, but I've done a basic one. Now I'm going to figure out how I can get it put onto a stand. So here is the finished product of my bird feeder hanging up. I've put it in the grapevine because we do have, I think it's a dove or a pigeon that likes to go in there. I think there's a nest in there, but we also do get the willy wagtails as well in the gardens. So I'm hoping they find it soon. I haven't had any luck yet with them landing on it, but I have put a little bit of seeds on it, but I'm liking it so far, and it will do until we have our own place.